now. There, a Spanish town, Saint Catherine. You see me? With a Spain town right now. With a mineral bath. And them famous. I think this is the old river. Everybody know where. Convenient for everybody. You know what I mean? Where them can attract go and wall a vibe. You see me? I make the crowd go and kick in and thing. You see me gonna see what I go on. You see me? See me gonna see what I go on. Things set up a way right now still. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie to you. Kinda set up a way. Place ram and the type of alright. Blessings. Yo, so with that in a with that St. Catherine right now. With the mineral bath out of Central Village there, so. You see me? If you don't know Kingston, you don't know that's the tool let's go up on damn place name again, man. That's at the ends of go Waterfalls. You see me? So around the ram right now, I'm saying around the crazy, but here we're going. We'll go around the same way. We just have a whole vibe, brother. Just have a whole vibe. Up on the ends, see what I go on, and I'm gonna see what it is like, you know, in a Spain town, Spanish town, bad area them say. So we have 13 bills. So this a show now. This is $1,000. This is $1,000. It's 100. Another 100. This is what our money look like. Just so who don't know, this is $100. This value about at $1 US. You see me? This is $1,000. This value roughly about $5. $5 way more than it still. But we have this I will spend right now. We just will get probably get a Heineken or a beer. And we make gonna see what I go on. You know, that's what a vibe today on a Sunday. Not a lot to do, but there we go. We're gonna do it. We're gonna see what I go on. Yeah? Alright, hold on guys. Hold on. Yeah. So flip the camera in a minute. When we go around the back. We're gonna see what I go on. But yeah, that I go on from what I go on. Alright, we are head round there now. Yo, check this out, brother. I'm saying place full cars for days. You can probably hear the music loud, like loud. I don't know this thing I go work, you know, with YouTube and them license and them bag of fuck foolishness. But I could see. I kind of adjust the camera a little bit. But yeah, we're there. Yeah, so you can see, brother, car for days. Then I parking lot. You know what I mean? So, yo, when you just tap in, let me know what I go on. Let me gonna see something. It's a lot to go on right now. But it's a vibe. Oh, there's a vibe. You see, and it's nice. Yeah. See what I go on? Be tune. Watch out, go in the water and think. Try go in the water. Yo, sport again. Sorry. Yeah. So I end this up. And smart. 5. Of people up in that tree. 5. The man jump out of this. Mad. See what I go on. That video here in the mind. That video in the mind. Yeah, that look at video in the mind tonight. So I'm going to try to get some. Vibes mad. Vibe mad. Yeah man, so Jamaica is natural. Everybody there just a normal out. You know what I mean? See if we can get get a 1 liquor. Oh yeah man, 5 to normal. So I go on. You can go on, man. You can go on. So I walk down on the black so we see what I go on. Vibes are normal. We see if we can get a beer over here so or a juice. Try to see if we can get a 1 beer. Get a 1 beer and a juice, you know? But you can see what I go on, the place is normal. It's another ends. So another part of the place. Yo, place is normal, brother. I need it. Come here. Yeah, so there I get a 1 beer, you know? Beer. I get one in Jamaica, them are authentic cold beer in my place. How much is it? They're not a change. No, some change. Yeah, 2.5. Yeah, 2.5 here. Here. Five normal. That's us there. You can't just come and chuck up a camera, you know what I mean? Very nice. Everywhere it's on a nice. Everywhere it's on nice. Everywhere it's on a nice. Crazy. Guys, me can't there and just show the camera in them face. People them here? Yeah. Crazy. Being an animal thus far. We're going about an hour, but I'm streaming. Because trust me, when I tell you say you're so just crazy, you're so crazy, brother. I'm going to make you see what I'm going when I say crazy. Crazy. We get that one. Yeah. Such a youth. So far, the vibes are normal. I drink a cold beer, you see me? But believe me, I tell you, it's a vibe on the block. Even though I can't stream so long. Try one thing, you know? Yo, I saw where I saw this from. Yeah? Every day? That man say, yo, we need to come over here on a Saturday or a Sunday. Weekdays a problem. You see me? Yeah, weekdays a problem, dog. You see me? But yeah, man. Yeah. We say we're gonna come on early. Yo guys, man them say we need to do it early. For the 1st and for the 6th. It's a holiday in Jamaica. You see me? So we're gonna try to out at them time there as well. And stream again and go live. But you know, right now it's just a vibe with the people them. A lot of different people end up pop up. You have tourists, you have some tourists up on the block, you have some locals, you see me? But I just a vibe, see, music I play, people are all a vibe, people are drink, kids out, floating, vibe candle. But I'm going to walk around in a bit and make you see what I want. Yeah, but it's a vibe. Yeah. See what I want. Water crystal clear. Tourists them up on the block too. Can I see? Restroom for the black. I think them myself. I think them myself. Come on, go.
Face for waste me now. Them chase like chase and some pop down base. When we realize the amount of bad in the sound. Must be because I'm one side of the vision. This is like a can lose. Because I'm not even just like it. Them shut them out, them shut them shit up. From walls to when you see the fireball, bet you see so much miss you like a telephone call when you're gone. Cause a little bit shit of it, a little bit of craving and you got that up. Ever say, big up baby, kill you. Gunshot, kill you bigger than a proper mataran. Life is a gamble and the big one you ban. So man, and a penny, two a penny. Big a penny, them a penny, me a penny. And a penny, penny. Let us hear what you do say.
Wildlife so we go. The curbs keep it higher that we mean by live it up. The cancer life away below. Love chums and money enough. Make sure to be decent, but chunk from me blood enough to get me no forget. Straight cash me no take check. Can't deal with nothing negative, so we cloudy yes test. Girl them love me black eye. Young and getting it no lie. Plus me black bin when me drive a red them eye. Me turn it up and then ash. No scores and ash to wash. No carry thing, no scratch. Me no listen when pagans chat. Me might have flip but me no flap. One at home and one at that. These metal me talk about no metal service rap. No big thing you blind me. No poor man mind me. No pay for me sunshine. No them y'all keep me shiny. As a y'all is me wily. Which y'all can tell me. You get me tired. Yes I'm better. You're a guiding.
So Mr. Warner, what happened last night?
Yo, there's some like you know understand me I say. The time you can see. Remember.
Inna the party, we eat and drink up. While I'm bringing dance, them we link up. A guy that says she want cut with me now. Morning he did it, so me didn't remember that they done. Me not to me no any back. Look at she not the parking lot. Me not do business to me first.
I'll try to see if we can get some shrimp, you know? Man, I'm gone up in that tree. Man, I'm gone up in that tree. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Short Richard baby. Tell him to tell the next one man if you're ready. I line up the land man. Jingle, jingle. Jingle, jingle.
Make my summer birthday today. After this,
Madrid. Alright. See what I want to know. See what I want to know. Got it, you know. do it. Yo, my dog. I say I jump. You don't jump. Okay. You don't jump. Jump, man. Yeah, there's more jump, you know. You know? Vibe, you know. All of them a jump one time. All of them a jump one time. All of them a jump one time, you know, guys. Look push over there. Where they are Spanish town, one of the most dangerous places in Jamaica, them say. Where they are mineral spring, where water come from underground. Them say it's a healing bath. But we find out, water cool and nice. A lot of people there will have vibe. Them a do them thing, you know. See it now? All of them up there now. Body are jumping, you know. Body a jump. See that now? All of them one time. Yo, it's a vibe I had, man.
When the niggas start soaking in.
One. Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out, drama, you know.
Give me a one, give me a one. Give me a one. Give me a one. What's your do?
Over there, over there. I'm too far over there.
Hey, girl, no one.
Yeah. All right. Drama, you know. Drama. Man, the man waiting, you know. All of them.
Really try no shot if you like when you got me have a nice. If you keep me a put it in a room. I cut. Sit down, just do
my last one this.
Let's watch our birthday today with the Panama side.
Put your hands up.
How do you get them there?
Y'all in a bikini. Everybody got a red cup.
In a pool party.
Like a scene from
Where man then gone?
On the pool party, you know. 59 next up on the boulevard.
Vibes are normal. Everybody there. How this we see now? We see one of my dog them now. See me now? See me now? There man. Run so we are going where them man. I'm here alone I know some just they are go and vlog and do my thing, you know, and then jump on back. My wife called me and say at 4 o'clock my father got food ready, you know? Yeah. So there. Just too long forward, yeah. Just forward? Yes, to do it. Yep, see them here.
That master man will work up there.
Oh, that's so see you. Oh, that's right there. Vibes are normal. So what are you drink? Everybody has drink.
Shabba, you do no vena, Shabba, you do no vena, Shabba.
It's a nice sunny evening, a cool afternoon.
The body has to work, the body goes to school.
See the body kind of choke around and the food. Yeah, let's play dominoes, so we can
What's your name? What's your name?
money in my pocket, so I know I have to reach. Call a couple girls, tell them to link up with my beats. Tell them rolling on them.
Christy, right? Christy, think about 30 for your birthday. West Poland, Russia. You want to get this smart thing turn up? Hey, Jenna, keep it upside here. It's too cool, it's a make. Yes, sir. We are party from now till summer. It's summer. And it's cool, it's summer. It's cool, it's summer. It's cool, it's summer. I'm gonna go out with a cool, it's Jamaica summer. It's cool, it's summer. Jamaica for no more. It's summer. Jamaica for my last time. It's summer. Summertime now, summertime age. Skin tone, summer rock from when I can't reach. Area them boom shots, marina and games. I walk in a style like them they are so big. More legs, but you can't see firm. You got the cover, we can't even get it. You got the cover, we can't even get it anywhere. What about after them say? Chulani, I walk them here with clearly. What's that? Where am I being able to say? Where am I being able to say? Oh, so we love. Me no know how them next. Buy your one shoes and get upset. Buy your box food and eat and bell. I want them next. Oh, so we love. Me no know how them next. Buy your one shoes and get upset. Buy your box food and eat and bell. Here it is. Me represent on the side check them. Who's there the side check on Uber right now? The side check on the bunny right now. Any wife it is. Me a search it to the net. Fuck you, me and your man now left bitch. Fuck you, show me surf you, bet the man a fuck you. So you put it. You know me side chick, come on. You wanna one that village, you're side chick, last thing on the wall. Tell her how my new one. You don't want enough things to talk about. I'ma tell her how my new one. See me go on the house, no people. Wait, we're talking about it. You want it on my line, see me ring ting line. Don't like it, shine it up right from side chick. Holding up your wine, I like it. Oh, yeah, I'm just up and again. And time just up and let I tell her what I want. Carry my horse, it's fine. Can't go back to a body right. Oh, yeah. But that's some night time. Oh, yeah, yeah, I'm come down. Think I'm not good here. We walk with the same day. Where you got the show? When she looks so good. She want the whole thing that is on the she want the big bungalow. Hey! Somebody. Hey! Oh, I don't get happy. Hey! Can I see the boy leader? Hey, Jamaican Adventures. Yeah. So guys, we have to look first. I want us to do a shout out. One five. You see me? So I appreciate the support. Not much that they have to do that. People them do them thing, I swing and I jump off and I do whatever them do. You know, it's just a whole of vibe. You know what I mean? I promise to me I will start go live more frequently and more a lot more longer as well too. But I have to cut that one a short because a Spanish town this and them people there, when me tell you say, them not like the whole heap camera in them face and thing. So I have to be very careful at the same time and be mindful at the same time too. So
I jump off at live right now. The place getting more intense. A lot more people end up come. And people where, trust me, I don't want to have my phone out in them face. I do no bag of vlog nor anything, because as me say, this is a yard. And the man and I take them things are too nice or too light, you know what I mean? So, me that. Guys, out.